Rich, buttery, mildly sweet salmon, savory potato chips. They go together in this delicious sheet pan lemon salmon with crispy potato chips dinner. Super easy. Hi, I'm Robin. Welcome to my channel. I'll show you how to make this dinner. Take some small red potatoes, about 7 to 8, and slice them with a knife or a mandolin. Don't slice them too thin, otherwise they'll burn up. These are just on the edge, maybe slightly too thin, but I'm going with it because I want mine to be like potato chips. If you want your potatoes to be more like potatoes and less chips, slice them a little thicker. Take some olive oil and some Parmigiano Reggiano and mix that with some salt in a big bowl. Place the potatoes on a prepared quarter sheet pan and place them in the oven. In the meantime, let's make some sauce for the salmon with some mayo, Dijon mustard, lemon zest, lemon juice, and parsley. Give it a good mix. Now let's make a garnish of lemon zest and parsley. Pat the salmon dry. You can use 3 or 4. I only had 3 available, 3 salmon fillets. Salt and pepper the salmon. Place it right on top of those potatoes when you take them out. And then cover it with that mayo mixture you made. Make sure you cover all sides. Place it back in the oven for 10 minutes. And there you go. Garnish with lemon, parsley, and more cheese. And my husband's trying to steal some of those chips. Those dark ones taste perfectly like potato chips. I love it. This is my favorite dinner of 2024 so far. Serve right away with a vibrant salad. I hope you give this recipe a try. It sure is a winner. Recipes and more at robinandwillow.com. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.